Are you looking to boost your fleet's efficiency and save money? Here are 6 ways video dash cameras can benefit your fleet financially. Many insurers offer discounts of up to 15% on fleet insurance for fleets with video dash cameras, recognizing their impact on risk reduction. Clear video evidence can reduce staged accident claims by up to 75%, which average $200,000 when fault can be disproved. For a quote from an industry fleet video dashcam leader, click the Get Quote button. GPS tracking, which is included with dash cams, helps identify inefficiencies, reducing travel time and fuel costs. Real-time alerts for critical events like speeding or hard braking can reduce accident rates and associated costs by 20%. Quickly identify incidents and maintenance needs, keeping your fleet on the road. Avoid costly fines and penalties by ensuring adherence to safety regulations. Investing in fleet video cameras isn't just about ensuring the safety of your drivers and equipment. It's a wise financial decision that can significantly impact your bottom line. With the cost savings and avoidance of repairs and lawsuits, you'll find installing video dash cams in your fleet is not an expense but a profit center. Click the Get Quote button now.